I just want to say, if you want to be successful in life in general, you're going to have to do things that you really do not feel like doing. And today is one of those days for me.
You got nothing to do, bro. Come hang out. You don't do nothing, bro. Bro, he be faking. Yo, man, Lorenzo don't ever want to hang out, man. You watching this YouTube channel? This dude don't like to hang out with nobody, man. Unsubscribe.
I'm so extremely tired, man. I was supposed to work out this morning, but I did not. I stayed up till like 4 a.m. I woke up at like 8. I gotta go to this training event down at Nate's place again. Where are my keys? Let's go.
Good night, my angel, time to close your eyes and save these questions for another day.
Okay, I don't know if I'm in focus or not, but I'm here. I just want to say, if you want to get something done in your life, if you want to be successful in life in general, you're going to have to do things that you really do not feel like doing. You're going to have to make sacrifices, and you're going to have to grind. And today is one of those days for me. Take the stairs. I feel like I'm on that level of Metal Gear Solid, just running up the stairs.
I watched my mom go through a lot. One thing I can always say is my mom never gave up. She had 2 heart attacks. One was in 6th grade, one was in 8th grade. She's had cancer. She's been in the hospital day in and day out. She's had all kinds of needles put into her body. But one thing she could say is she's never gave up. I believe in mindset. And because I seen that, my mindset was to never quit. So at this time, I want you guys to clap your hands together for Jack.
You have to decide to wake up tomorrow, and you have to keep deciding. So it's a struggle. I made the decision, but I didn't continue to make that decision every day. So 93 days later, I'm back on my way to prison again. It's crazy because it takes hitting rock bottom for some people, and everyone has a different rock bottom, right? To make a change. You can never go back. And if you do go back, it's because you're choosing to settle. But it's about the decisions we have to make. We have to continually make each and every day. So let's go get it. I'm excited to learn from these people.
I will not eat no chicken with bones. I don't like, man, the debate is chicken strips are not considered fried chicken. But hey, they're fried.
It's battered and fried.
If it's battered and fried,
That's not fried chicken. That's fried chicken.
That is fried.
but it's fried chicken, it's just in strip form. I don't like bones. But chicken strips are still fried.
Does the bone that you do not eat give extra flavor to the chicken that you do eat?
No, it does not.
Chicken strips is fried chicken.
You don't like chitlins?
I never had it, but I don't have a desire to try it. Chitlins, man. If it looks like it'll be good, I'll try it. But chitlins don't even look good.
So you don't even eat pig feet?
No.
I hate it.
Come on, man.
What's wrong with y'all? I did try it. Remember that one time?
I ate a chicken's butt.
Hell no, to the no, 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 hell to the no.
But it was like the butt cheek.
I wouldn't tell anybody.
But you will say that you ate some pig's intestines where their poop was coming out of. Hey, y'all can have that culture. I'm gonna eat my chicken strips and my mac and cheese, my salads.
You got nothing to do, bro. Come hang out.
Especially
You
tacos.
don't do nothing, bro. Like what? No, bro. He be faking, bro. What's up, man? Like, what's up, bro?
I'm surprised to be up.
Yo, man, Lorenzo don't ever want to hang out, man. You watching this YouTube channel? This dude don't like to hang out with nobody, man. Unsubscribe.
Alright, so this event, I think they're gonna continue at Nate's house. I'm dog tired, man. So I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna see how I feel. I'm probably gonna get some sleep. Anyway, on we go. I don't know yet. I'm tired, man. It's a nice car, man. Super nice car. That's what happens when you hustle hard, like I was talking about, man. There are people out there that are hustling day in and day out, losing sleep to achieve what they want to achieve. They're willing to go broke, to sell their homes, just do whatever it takes. Meanwhile, you are not willing to take the risk. So yeah, that's one thing I've learned, man. You gotta do what it takes. You gotta do what it takes.